Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to convert JSON object to simple Java Pojo by creating the Spring Boot application. Let's open your Spring Toolsuite. Here I will create the project. Select Spring Starter project. Here I will write the project name as JSON to Java Pojo. Click on Next. Here I am not selecting any dependencies. Click on Next. Now click on Finish. See here our project getting created here. It will take some time. See here our project got created. This is our project structure. Inside this source/main/java folder we have one package. Inside this we will get the one class. Inside this class we have main method. In this project we still don't have any JSON file. Now I will create one folder. I will give the folder name data. Inside this folder I will create one file simple.json. Finish. This is JSON file. Here I will write the code. See here, this is our JSON object. This curly braces indicate the object. Inside that we have the object member. The object member are the name value pair. Name will be always enclosed inside the double quotes. This is the name and this is the value. Value is anything. It can be the string, integer, boolean, array, or it can be the nested JSON object itself. The string values enclosed inside the double quote. Now I will convert this JSON object to the simple Java Pojo. To convert this JSON object to the Java Pojo or Java Pojo to JSON object, we need one Maven dependency. Let's visit the Maven repository to get that dependency. Search here for the JSON data binding. Click on this. Here we have so many versions. I will get this 2.9.10. Copy this dependency. Paste inside the pom.xml file. Now inside this package itself I am creating one class. I will give class name as student. Inside this class I need to create the instance variables. Whatever the fields present in the JSON object, that same fields we need to create here. See here I created 4 instance variable. In this JSON object we have 4 fields. Same I create inside this class also. Now I will create one constructor. After that I am generating the getter and setters for this field. Select all, generate. Now I generated the getter and setters also. See here, inside the student class I created the 4 instance variable. After that I wrote one constructor, then I generated the getter and setters for the fields. Inside this main method I need to create the object for the object mapper class. Now using this reference we need to read the JSON file. This will return one object here, so I am collecting that. Now I need to surround this with the try catch block. I created the object mapper object. Using that reference, I am reading the JSON file. Read value method will read the file and then that will map the JSON object to the student class. Then this method will return as one object. I am collecting that object here. After that, using that reference, I am fetching the values and printing here. Now save this file. Now run the project. See here, I have two options, Java application and Spring Boot app. I am running as Spring Boot app. See here, we got the output. We got the student ID, first name and last name. Now I done with converting the JSON object to the simple Java PostGre by creating the Spring Boot application. In the next video, I will show you how to convert the nested JSON object to the Java PostGre. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.